Welcome to section 15, which is a recap. There's the project there. What we're going to do is we're going to recap everything that we've done so far and set ourselves up an electrical drawing in the sequence that you would do it, let's say at work or at home. Now, the first drawing we've got open is a drawing called Title Block Setup, and what you would normally do if you're going to set up an electrical project is set up a drawing title block for each of your drawings. So I've given you a title block. It's here. If I hover over it, you can see that we have a block there. It's all in one go. If I double click it, you'll see there that there's various attributes in there: approved, checked, drawn, and so on. So we know it's a block, and I've also put it on a layer called title block for you as well. So the first thing we do, we right click on the project like usual, add the active drawing, and say yes to apply the project default values to the drawing settings. If I double click on recap, there we go. It's picked up a number from somewhere there. I'm going to right click, properties, drawing properties, and change that sheet value to 01 and enter. So that updates our project, and we've got 01 title block setup. Now we've got a title block there. We go to our project tab here, like so. And right over here on the other tools panel, we have title block setup. So let's go there. Now we've got various methods. We've got method 1, method 2. Method 1 has 3 options. We can do our title block for our project. We can do a default title block for any WDP file found in the folder, or we can do a default where neither of the above is found. I will tell you how to use WDP files later on towards the end of the course so that you know how to use them with your work files. In this case, I'm going to use project, and I'm going to OK it. Now, it says enter block name. Now, I don't need to worry about remembering what my title block name is. I can go pick block, pick the block in the drawing like that, and right-click to confirm, and there it is there. Title-A3_elec for electric. So I'll OK that. Now, this is the one, as I said in the exercise when we did it, that always looks a bit confusing. It's not confusing. Let me just move this dialog over a bit. If you look at the drawing itself, can you see there that we have various XXX's? They're all the attributes of the block. So, this attribute here, for example, let's have a look. What could it be? If I go down the list, we've got client and project. It's actually project. So I'm going to do the project one first, and that will relate to line 1 in my project settings. Line 2 is this one here. I want that one there. That's going to be the client that I'm doing the work for. Then we'll move up here. So you've got installation, location, description, sheet number. So let's just do those. Installation, location, we've then got description, we've then got sheet number. And then down here after that we've got drawn, checked, approved. So we'll go for drawn and checked and approved. So that's done. So that's all we've got to do. Now notice you can pick on the attributes as well. I don't need to do that because they're already installed in my drawing because I've saved that as a block. So I'll OK that. Now drawing values, if you've got any attributes that relate to drawing number, file name, dates and times, you can use those as well. I'm going to go back to my project values now and I'm going to OK that. So that's all been added. So now what I need to do is go to my project here, right click and go to descriptions. As you can see there, look, I can put project descriptions in. So line 1, line 2, line 3. So let's remember how we did this. Line 1 was project. So we'll put in there, let's say, basic circuit. Like so. Line 2 was client. Well, let's put VTC there. And then the next one down, line 3, that would be my installation. So we'll call that, let's say, ring main. And then line 4 we'll say is the main circuit. That's the location. Line 5 would be description. So we'll go for circuit 1, let's say. And then we've got sheet number, which is going to be, in this case, 001. We've then got drawn, checked, approved. So we'll put some initials in there. My initials. Let's say someone else's initials for checked, and then someone else's initials for approved, like that. So when I OK that, but let's not do that first. Let's just make sure they appear in the reports. So any reports I generate, that information will also appear as long as I've ticked the box, like that. So I OK that now. That's all updated. So what I need to do now is a title block update. I want to update all of these that I've put in. You can see the information that I've put in there, like so. So let's get those right. Active drawing only. I won't do it project wide. I've only got the one drawing right now. And you'll see there, if I zoom in, look, that's all updated. So you can see there that I can do this on a project level rather than a drawing by drawing level. So title block setup, that's how it should be set up, like so.